After 3 minutes left, the top drivers are Jeff J. with a 63-lap 4:02.6 pace, Terry Whirl with a 60-lap 4:02.8 pace, and John B. with a 59-lap 4:0.4 pace. After 2 minutes left, the top drivers are Jeff J. with a 61-lap 4:0.6 pace, Terry Whirl with a 59-lap 4:03.1 pace, and John B. with a 58-lap 4:01.5 pace. After 3 minutes, the top drivers are Jeff J. with a 61-lap 4:03.6 pace, Terry Whirl with a 58-lap 4:01.4 pace, and John B. with a 58-lap 4:02.3 pace. 45 seconds left. "30 seconds left. "15 seconds left. "5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All drivers are finished. The race is completed.